How dare you? How dare you? How dare you flog her mercilessly? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Give it to me. 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 If that thing gets touched me, I will sue you for violating human fundamental rights. Useless thing. How do you flog her mercilessly like that? What did she do to you? Who are you? Who are you, I said? You don't talk. Who are you? A barrister of law. In our home the music. Let us see what happened last. You will harm that music at the court of law. I'm going to sue you for impersonation. Move it. Move it. Get your feet. Move it.
Matthias, who do you have as a witness to this ugly incident?
My lord, I witnessed the ugly incident myself. On my way coming to the court, I decided to take Appian Way because of the ongoing insecurity of this community, because somebody of my profile, I should not come out anyhow. I decided to take Appian Way. Behold, I witnessed this little idiot here flogging this little girl mercilessly. When I approached him, I asked him, who are you? The only thing this stout here could say is, who. Where are you coming from? Who. What is your name? Who. Oh, you can toy with me. A barrister with a curriculum. A barrister with hyphen. A barrister who has set so many people, so many countries on fire with just my autograph. How dare you? Because he could not defend himself, I have to lock him up in my personal prison before the charges to the court and all the rest of them. My lord, according to the book of John Napoleon, paragraph 16, page 82, he makes it illegal that this masquerade here has committed felony, punishable by law, international law and local law, and then village law. He has defied the human right of this girl here, like I said earlier. So he must be punished. He must be punished according to the law of 1984, page 3, paragraph 31. Then square meter. He must be punished square meterly. He must pay for it. I rest my case, my lord.
Masquerade, what do you have to say in your defense?
Objection, my lord.
Objection sustained.
Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? No, because can you imagine a masquerade dancing before this honorable and amiable court? At the same time, he showed no remorse about his act. This is barbaric. This is unacceptable. I cannot sit down here and watch this thing defy the law of our tradition, defy the law of the country, defy the law of the federation. He must face the judgment. He must face the judgment. If the judgment is not suitable enough to me, then he will face my wrath. What nonsense! What impersonation! Damn you! Please, my lord, proceed with your acrimonious judgment.
Here is my verdict, Mr. Masquerade. You've been found guilty of the accusation, and I hereby sentence you to 2 years imprisonment.
2 years again. Huh? How come mom can go? Just masquerade. So you can now talk. Why, master? You can no longer produce those beautiful sound of yours. So you can now talk. Anyway, I don't have your time. 2 years you are talking. By the time you are done with 2 years, I'm going to increase it to 4 years. From 4 years to 8 years. What I can get served with you until you get monopause out of Woguni Menga. Stupid imbecile. Nonsense.
Oh, so Ikena, it's you. Because I refuse to be your girlfriend, you have to come in disguise and flog me this way. It will never be well with you. You will rot in jail, stupid boy. You local village champion.
Good.
Stupid boy.
Chief Judge, Biko, temper justice with mercy.
You're an idiot.
You're very stupid. Will you stop it? I don't put any give around the banner comes. What am I walking? I lost what I said before. My dear, you have seen my strength.
Sure.
The court, have you seen my strength?
Yes.
Good. Make sure you see me in my house this evening for merriment.
Yeah.
God,
Meme.